If you want to know how to fix a Snapchat quick add not showing up problem, you've come to the right place. So if you open Snapchat app and we'll go to our chat folder right up here, and if we'll scroll down, we can find the list of contacts we can easily add as friends, as you can see. But what if we don't have this list inside of this folder? How can we fix it? Basically, to do this, we need to click on App Store or Google Play on our home screen. It depends on your mobile device. And from this page here, just simply search for Snapchat. Basically, we need to open the original page of the app inside of the App Store, in my case, and make sure that you have the latest version. So if you have the update option here, click on update. In my case, I need to click on open. And basically, sometimes this problem will be automatically fixed, but if it didn't, we need to follow the next step here. We need to click on our avatar in the left top corner, and then just click on settings in the right top corner right up here. Then we need to scroll down to find basically privacy controls area, and from this page here, click on clear data. Then just simply click on clear cache and then just click on clear. So after that, we need to click on OK and our app will be automatically closed. Now we need to reopen this app and then just go to chat folder. So after that, as you can see, we successfully refreshed our quick add list and now we have a new guys inside of it. So probably it will fix your problem and this list will appear on this page here. So I hope guys this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.